Yeah, first of all, I want to thank God, and it's a delight because I think as a team we have been working very hard. I think in most of the time we are missing it by a whisker because you could see our game against Zambia. I think we were the better side. And of course, we already set up 2-1 in Kasarani. Unfortunately, Zambia equalizing. That was the situation for us. It's a learning curve for us as a team, as a technical bench, because I think in the previous tournaments, in the previous qualifier, we have exposed most of our players. And this is something that we ensured going to Tanzania. We guarded the players sufficiently. We guarded our tactics properly. And this is something that I think worked for us this time around.
Celebrate for the first time in our history, our wasichana kushinda the regional trophy for women. In 2017, we played against Tanzania in Uganda, tukapoteza 1-0. Last year, we didn't do well in Rwanda. Tanzania, I believe, won again.
So hakuna kitu mpya kwa football. Mimi naweza sema asanteni federation kwa kila kitu na wachezaji wenzangu, to keep your momentum, kila kitu itakupoa.